Today we're going to draw something that I know you will love, but I'm not going to tell you because it's a surprise. So let's get started. Can you guess what I'm drawing? I'll give you a clue. Well, nowadays, people say that I've got a fever. Which fever? Sonic fever. I want to watch Sonic, I want to be Sonic, and I want to draw Sonic. So you're right. Today we're drawing Sonic the Hedgehog. My first attempt of Sonic was this. I mean, seriously, this? So I decided I have to try again. So this is my first layer, and for the first layer, I'm using an HB graphite pencil, so it will give a light effect just in case I make mistakes and I could raise them. So who's your favorite character from Sonic the Hedgehog? Mine is Sonic himself, and my brother also loves Sonic, and my mom's favorite is Tails because he is super cute. So guys, I'm done with the sketch of Sonic, and I'll do the background later. So now I'm using pastel color pencils, and I usually do sketching with a normal pencil for shading in, but now I'm using a soft pastel pencil. So I'm doing hatching because Sonic is very hairy and I have to do it straight so I can make it hairy. So as you can see, I'm doing the second layer on Sonic with a lighter blue color first. Then I'm doing the third layer. I'm adding a dark shade of color to do the details. This is the time when you add texture to the drawing. It's important to draw each and every line in the direction of the hair of the hedgehog. Now I'm starting to do the background. Here I'm making the details of the hedgehog's feet. Because every detail makes a difference. So I've made the grass with 2 different shades of green, and I used the same technique I did in Sonic. So now you see the grass is actually giving the effect of grass, and this is the hard part, the sunset. I had to add different shades of oranges and yellows to it. First I made the background with buildings, but then I realized that because of too much color, Sonic was not being prominent. So I did this. For the golden ring, I'm using my aqua marker to give it a shine. They give a metallic texture to the ring. So guys, what do you think about my drawing? Do you like it? So would you like me to draw any other cartoon character? I would love to. So keep on liking, sharing and subscribing, and I'll keep on drawing. Allah Hafiz.